back at Universal for the second day.
Donuts around, do we?
Hi.
One now.
Hi.
So yeah, we've come back here because we only got half of Islands of Adventure done last time, so we've still got the other half to do, and the Universal side. So yeah, but we got here and Ollie forgot his park tickets. So joyous, he has to go all the way back to the villa to get some new ones, to go pick them up. So yeah, that was a good start today, and we left at a decent time this morning, which was helpful. So yeah, let's have a look around the city walk and see what's here. Big difference I think between the Universal and Disney parks is Universal is much more for the sort of grown-up child slash adults. Disney definitely accommodates more for the smaller children. We have a lot easier time at the Disney parks with Jessica than we do at the Universal. Still not, you know, it's still not terrible with Jessica at the Universal, but there's just more to do at the Disney parks. Disney parks seem a lot more accommodating as well, whereas Universal, things seem a bit more strict. The staff seem a bit more strict as well. But yeah, it's still both brilliant parks, both brilliant places.
Oi, e Casanova? Catalina!
Have you come to surrender?
What? Just caught the back end of the SpongeBob parade. Just missed it. So we'll definitely have to see when that's going to be coming out later. Try and catch that, because who doesn't love SpongeBob? So this is Lisa's favourite ride of the park, the E.T. ride.
Hi, not so close.
Oh, you already close?
So, the E.T. ride has been here for years and years. When I was young, I was about 6 or 7, I'm now 31. I went on the E.T. ride and absolutely loved it. So every time I come here, I have to come back on this ride. It was a little more magical when I was young, but it's still lovely. The best part about this ride is that when you finish, it says your names and it says goodbye Lisa as you end the ride, which I love.
We've just done the Minions simulator, which I enjoy quite a lot. Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah. It was more violent than what I thought it was going to be. Callum seemed to like it though. Yeah, it sort of throws you about a little bit. But yeah, it's still good for the kids. And yeah, it was good fun. We're now heading over to Harry Potter side of things to see what that is all about. So we've not been to this side before, so looking forward to it. And then we're going to jump on the train, I think, and head over to Islands of Adventure. There's the exit for the Fast and Furious ride. It's got some of the cars from the films, which Looks quite cool. I've not heard great reviews about the Fast and Furious ride, which is a shame, but as long as we've got a bit of time later on, we're gonna have a go, see what it's like for ourselves. So we're just entering the Harry Potter bit, and there is the King's Cross Station. I think they've done quite well with the theming of this. It looks fairly familiar. Also got the night bus up here. It has been raining a lot today. Sorry, I'm trying to steer the buggy, hold an umbrella and hold this camera at the same time. Yeah, it's rained a lot today, and to be honest, it's ruining it a little bit. You know, it's a bit chilly now. You know, normally you don't feel cold at all around here, but yeah, not feeling too great at present. Here we go into the world of Harry Potter. The amount of detail in this place is unbelievable. It's so well done. I think you could spend a couple of days here and you still wouldn't look around everything. It's just blowing me away. It's so good. So much to look at here. It just won't stop raining, so I'm struggling to get around to see everything. But yeah, we're going to be going on Gringotts Bank ride shortly. So yeah, fingers crossed. Got high hopes for that one. Wow, you're my dragon. Oh, it's a snake.
Oh yeah, look, I told you.
A couple of snakes. It's tongue moves. That's cool. This place is scary. Probably a bit too dark for the camera down here. Borgin Birkin. This looks pretty good.
It's really good.
Oh look, I got all the talking heads.
The ghost of Anne Boleyn walks straight there. For Anne Boleyn was once in every fight, until he made the headlands of her hair.
Hashtag Old Towers. So what do you think to Gringotts Bank?
It was very good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Enjoyed it?
Faster than I expected. More roller coastery than I expected. I expected just a simulator, but it's like a 3D roller coaster.
On a track.
Took our 4-year-old on, who is not a massive fan of roller coasters, and he said he didn't like it, although he was absolutely fine, and there were no tears, so that's good.
So basically he enjoyed it. And I enjoyed it also, it was very good. I thought the theming was excellent. I thought the 3D effects were really well done. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my good gracious. There is an owl. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at that train. How good is that? Oh my god! It's all pardon. It's the Hogwarts Express. Choo choo. Yes.
We don't see the school.
Yeah.
Why don't we see the school?
Bye bye. So we've just been on the Hogwarts Express and that was really good. Really enjoyed that. It's really good with the screens inside the cabins that tell a little story on the way, and it's brilliantly done. Kids loved it, we loved it. Yeah, highly recommend it. So from Universal Studios, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe and all that good stuff. And I'll see you in the next one.